guys, it's Faith again. In my last tutorial, we built an e-commerce API using Django and the Django REST framework. And I did mention that in the next tutorial, I'm going to add a user model, an authentication, or do I say auth user model simply? So let's get straight to it. Right now, I have opened before me the Django REST framework documentation, and we're going to be walking through it. It's going to be a very short video. So I'm decided to break them into um, chunks that are very short and easy to follow. So let's go straight to this is the authentication and permission. So let's create an owner or an author for all of our models. Remember, we had three models: category model, the product, and the book model. So the user can create books, can create products, so I can create category, whatever. We really don't need to put the user on the category. So let's go to our code. This is my model. This is my model views. Okay, so come to your model. In this book model, we want to add, I don't know, what should we call it? Is it author or created by? Most times I like to use created by. It makes it sort of descriptive. Created by good equals to models dot okay, foreign key, and it's let's look at the documentation. I mean, this is just Django REST framework. So out.user. So of course we should have imported. Yeah, I'm coming. Out.user related name is equals to books that belong to that user. Books created by that user on delete. Should that user be deleted, then all his books should also be deleted. Okay, so I'm coming. We have to, of course, anytime you're working with using authentication, so you have to import from django.contrib.auth.models. Okay, import user, So okay, that's that. We want to do the same thing for product also, created by uh, the user that created this product. So here the related name will be products belonging to this user that we're adding as a foreign key. Okay, great. So okay. Okay, now let's go ahead and just run our migrations. Okay, we also have to, let's come back to documentation. Next thing we do is, I think as far as a model is concerned, we're done. So next thing we should do is to work on the serializer. So let's try to run migrations before we can work on the serializer class. So Python manage.py make migrations. Okay, created by without a default. You can't do that. Database needs something to populate. Okay, so I'm going to add an hack here. I will do something. I will say null, or set that null equals to true. I'm going to come and edit it later. So just calm down. Okay, null is true. I'll do the same thing for the created by here also. Okay, so now let's rerun the migration. Python array.py make migrations. So it should run without giving any error again. Great. So let's python.py migrate. Cool. So now if you do python manage.py run server, wait, we are not yet done. So because I want us to just finish once and for all. So the next thing in the documentation is we should uh, make a serializer class for the user. So come to your serializers.py, and then we're going to create a class user serializer, and it extends serializers dot model serializer. Okay, okay, cool. So now, good. You know, users look at the models. User has books. The user also has a product. So products and books. So we're going to have to do two. We're going to have to put two feeds on this user serializer. Two different feeds. One for books and one for products. So and we're going to use Django ORM to fetch them. So snippets serializer. So we're going to go to here and we'll do books equals to serializers dot primary key related field. Okay, the primary key related field many equals to true, meaning the user can have many books and create many books. So query set, okay, and we do our query set is equals to normal Django ORM book.objects.all. So to fetch all users, all books for that user. Then the user also has products. Products will be serializers dot primary key related field. Many, you can have many products equals to true. Query set is equals to product.objects.all. Okay, so that's that about that. And then we have our inner class. So then we have our inner class meta. So you know our class meta for serializer takes two things: the model, right? And then the sorry, the model and the query set. Sorry, query set is what user.objects.org, and then our model is what user. So here we also have to import the user model from django.contrib.auth.models import user. Wait. So user.objects.org. Okay. Are we done? Fields, model and feeds. Did I say query set? Oh God. This is not views. Fields, it's a tuple. So we have ID. I want the username of the user, and the user has an email. We should get the email also. Email, and then we should get books belonging to that user. So these books is this. Okay, and the product. So and we should get products belonging to that user, that same user. Products that were created by that user. Model and fields. Okay, so we're done with that. So next thing we should do is create our view. So just like we did for the other. So class list user. So that will be generics dot retrieve no list create API view. Okay, so this now takes query set. Query set, that's user dot objects dot all, and then serializer class we have already created. It is inside the serializers.py. So this class here, yeah, this. So paste it here. Okay, so that's done. Then let's create a detail user. I'm trying as much as possible to follow the same convention for all of them. So retrieve, update, destroy API view. Okay, so then we have query set, which is user.objects.all, then serializer class. Let me just copy this. Excuse me. Okay. And we are done. So we are done. I think we're done. So let's just write the URLs. So URLs for user part users, that's all users. So that will be um, list user dot as view. Okay, the name will be sort of like users, at least all the users in our database. But users, then a single user. So in primary key, detail user dot as view. Name is excuse me. Name equals to single user. Okay, and then we are finally done. So let's run our server. Python manage py run server and see if things are working already. User is not defined. Where under our views, probably I did not import user. Oh, sorry. So from anywhere you call the user model, so django.contrib.auth.models import user. Okay, good. Things like this happen. What's that? So it's reloading. UserSerializer is not defined. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Why am I in a rush? UserSerializer. Okay. And also, I remember something. I remember something. Here, I did not import the list user that I used there and detail user also. Okay. I don't know why I'm rushing. Now, I'll push it run without any error now. Great. Can you see that? Okay. So let's go and execute. Where did we run it the other time? Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. So next thing. So you could just refresh this admin panel. Why is it taking long? Excuse me. Oh, damn. Okay. This is loading very fast now. So let's just test the user endpoint we just created. Let's see. Is it working? Uh, oh, why is everything loading so slow? Oh, what's waiting right now? It's in my laptop, so it's me today. Hey, Come and go. Let me see. It's not even logging any request. Just wait for it. Oh, this is so frustrating. Wow. Why? Excuse me? Uh, oh, dang. I'm trying to use Edge now. See if it's really faster. Oh, damn. I really cannot explain why. Like, my browser is so slow. What is happening? Okay. Yes. So, finally. So we have just one user. Okay. So um, we have just one user. Um, this is the only one. So it's going to return it as the only one. So that's me for Presto and my email and all my books. So if I've created books, going to in fact I'm going to demonstrate that now. Let's see and create a product v1 product. Great. I don't know why is everything so slow. I think I think I need to stop this server. I think I need to stop this server. I think I need to stop this server and then restart. Oh, it's just annoying, like so annoying. Oh, man. My server up now. Okay, let's see. Okay, now product. I said product. Okay, created by. Now I have not added. Can you see? We can't see the created by here already because I've not added the created by field to the serializers for both product and book. So that's one thing, one bug to fix. So let's go to serializers.py and just after the image URL, put created by. Okay, and for books also you do the same thing. Created by who? Who's the person? So okay, we're good now. So the server is going to relaunch. Wait, now let me refresh this now. We should have created by null because not designated anyone. So I could just edit one of them. So by calling, I could just edit one of them and create a user. So let me edit the first one, a reporter. Okay, I'm going to send a put request to just edit the users. Can you see? Can you see? Django REST Remove is so amazing, and particularly for these uh, browsable APIs like this interface. I do the same thing for C# and ASP.NET Core. There's a package called Swagger. Swagger documentation generates a sort of browsable APIs for you. It's so amazing, super cool. So you just click the user, that's propensity, that's my current user, and you send a put request. It's edited. So created by the first user, user one. Um, Let me see how we can fix that. So we can fix that here. We can actually fix that here. Okay, let me come back to my code. Okay, can I do something like this? This for the first user. So first user, um, we want the user's name. We want the user's name. First user. Let me see. Is this possible? Is this possible? For product, let's see. Wow, it runs, okay. Is this possible? No, 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 nada. Okay, gonna try. Of course, this is not valid. Because this is not valid. Yeah, yeah. So, created by, okay, created by is equals to, created by is equals to, what do I call it? Okay, I think I do something like that here. Serializers dot read only field. Read only field. Let's see here. Read only field created by the user, created by the username. Let me see. Let's see now. Okay, it runs now. Wow! Voila! Yes! We fixed that! Can you see? Okay. So that's it. So amazing. Solving problems. So it's valid. So we can do the same thing for I don't know, for book. Okay, so come right here, paste this right here. So wait, wow. Okay, so created by username. So we're going to put it. So if you go and view books also, books, let's see for books. Okay, created by, I've not even added it to books. Books, yes, it's right here. It's right here. Image URL. Why is it not showing? Why is it not showing? View. Why is it not showing under books? It was created by okay, status. Source is created by the username. Let's see now. What's going on? Excuse me. To the second book. Why can't I see this? Is it not getting to the serializer or what? This is the book field, yes. Books. Okay. Men's two. Query set. Oh, wow. Okay, my database now. What's going on? Okay, let's see again. Books. Honestly, why is it not showing? Let me see. Foreign key. User. Created by Python. Okay. Okay, it's actually here. Let me see if it's here for. It's for book is here too. What is wrong? Uh, is here? instance, save. Okay, let's see books now. Created by, okay, created by, okay, okay. So um, let me go to the first book. Oh yes, yes, I know why, I know why. It's because I made it a come to serializers.py. It's because I made it I don't know, read-only field. Read-only field. Let's see primary key related field. Let's see, or is there a read-write field? Let's see. Okay, read-write field. Okay, no, I know what to do. Okay, so let's go to Django REST framework serializers dot read write field. Let's see. Let's see. Relations. Wait. Okay, I have serializers string related field, primary key related field. I don't know if we can use primary key related field. I mean many to many fields. So. Okay, track primary key related field. Okay, let's see if we can enter many through a model. Okay, so this read only. So I guess this is the problem. So let's use this and see what happens. Let's see what happens. Relational field set read only. Set read only equals to false. Okay. Set read only or set read only equals to false. We'll set argument. So obviously we cannot use this. So let me see. Py run server. Oh, read only. Okay. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. Server. Okay. created by, okay, let's say I was trying to, oh, it doesn't show. Or should just okay, books, for books created by this, okay, startup ninja created by Pencil, okay, token by Professor. I think that's all. Let's see, does it show them now? Created by shows now, okay. Created by, okay, now they all have created by, okay, created by. So products, so now let's remove this null here. Null equals to no, it's false. I don't even need it again. So I think that's about it, everything. So I still don't like this read-only fields. Want to and there's the foreign key. Of course, we want to be able to change the user created it, so I think it's quite good. So um, thank you very much. In the next tutorial, I think I've taken so much time again. Next tutorial, I'm going to work on the JSON web tokens, and that's all for now. If you like this tutorial, just can like, you can comment, and share if you do, if you want to. So thanks. Bye.